Conversation between Jessica and Myra about times of the day. Hey, how's your day been so far?
Hi. It's been pretty good. I had a productive morning at work, but now I'm looking forward to the afternoon. Any plans for the day on your end?
That sounds nice. I have a few errands to run this afternoon, but after that, I'm thinking of taking a walk in the park. The weather is lovely today. How about you?
Oh, a walk in the park sounds wonderful. I might join you if I finish my work on time. I also need to pick up some groceries and stop by the library.
Great, we can catch up while we stroll through the park. By the way, do you have any plans for the evening?
Well, not really. I was thinking of cooking a nice dinner and maybe watching a movie or reading a book. How about you? Any exciting evening plans?
That sounds relaxing. I actually have a dinner reservation at that new Italian restaurant that just opened downtown. A friend is in town and we are going to catch up over a nice meal. I'm quite excited about it.
Oh, that sounds fantastic. Enjoy your evening. Italian food is always a good choice. Maybe we can plan a get-together soon. It's been a while since we hung out.
Absolutely, I'd love that. We should definitely plan something for the weekend or sometime in the near future. Let's catch up this afternoon and figure out the details.
Sounds like a plan. I'll text you after I'm done with my errands, and we can chat about our plans for the evening and a future get-together.
Perfect. Looking forward to it. Have a great afternoon and enjoy your evening, whether it's a cozy night in or a night out.
You too. Let's catch up soon. If you want to see times of the day vocabulary used in this conversation, visit my YouTube Shorts. Link is in the description below.